Hello everyone, my name is Namkia. I study at PUC with Professor Jim in Fundamentals of Communication class. After I study with him, I think I am a new person, means that I get new knowledge from him. He has a lot of experience to give us, and today I want to share what I study with him, and I think it is important to me, and so I want to share this for you guys. If you want to get profit from the study, you should do meditation. So today I want to share meditation for you, so to study with him. When I study with him, he always give 5 minutes to all students to do meditation, to refresh our mind or to clear our mind. Meditation is a kind of thing that we control our mind and body, stay in present moment. Most people always let our mind get away and let body stay alone. So this way you cannot profit from their work. So if you want to get any profit from your work, you should take your heart and body stay the same time or the same place, right? Go together. And meditation is the kind of thing that you control your heart by breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. When we do meditation in the class, Professor Jim always tells something that we have to do, or how to do meditation. Breath in, breath out. When we do like this, we forget something in the past already, because our mind always follow up our breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. You try to do like this, so you will be clear. Mean that like refreshed, or like we clean our body, so we feel happy. For example, we have dinner, and before having dinner, we go to take a bath with cold water. We feel better, feel comfortable, and then we come to take dinner with your family, so we feel happy. Like meditation, before you go to study and you clean your heart, mean that you make meditation to control your heart, and then we can get a lot of profit from your work. We can say that we take a short time, but we have a lot of profit. Most people don't study in the evening. Why? Because his mind is not peaceful. His mind is controlled by monkey mind. So it is difficult to get profit from the work, so they don't study. They get up at 4 o'clock and start to study, because the time his heart is peaceful. Means that meditation is the kind of thing that make your heart peaceful, or make your heart stay with your body. It is the best way that Professor Jim needs us to study. That I think it is special lessons that I study with him, special experience. And before I always do meditation only Buddhist holiday, but after I study with him every day, at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But when I study with him, he always give at least 5 minutes. It's important because we need to study with our lesson, right? And when we do meditation, we always use PUC brand. PUC brand always use something like deeply, like critical thinking. It's important thing that get a lot of profit for us, because it's a real person, but animal brand always think without critical thinking, or animal action for everywhere, right? Especially in this terrible study. So meditation always keep PUC brands to stay with us. So PUC brand is the kind of things that get profit, right? So when we do like this, I think 100% you get profit from your teacher. So I want to share from the set to you guys. If you want to get real knowledge from your teacher, you should do meditation. Make your mind better and better. Okay, thank you very much.